From a BayCare perspective, we believe in health and wellness as a key to a long and happy life, and so we've made a lot of positive changes in our fitness centers.
Everything that we've done from the time that we made the decision and we're able to open the fitness centers has been so that we can do so safely and protect each and every member when they are comfortable coming back. But when members come in, they're temperature screened at the front desk. As they come in, we ask everybody to take a towel and keep a towel with them. Equipment is wiped down before and after each use, and we have staff available on the floor to make sure that that is occurring. All of our staff are required to wear masks. In areas where there is close contact, we've required that both the member and the fitness center staff wear the mask. We also have socially distanced all of the equipment to keep members safe.
We are cleaning a lot more than normal, and we actually got stronger disinfectant in our wipes and cleaning products. Our staff members monitor the facility to make sure everyone's wiping down their equipment, and they go around as well to clean between people using machines. Throughout the facility, we place signs to remind people to stay 6 feet apart. We also have extra stations with wipes and hand sanitizer. For the classes, we're recommending that everyone brings in their own mats and bolsters. We do still have use of the weights and resistance bands because those things are easier to keep clean. Exercise is very important, especially during these stressful times. It helps release endorphins in the body, which can help combat the stress that we're all feeling during these times.
What we don't want to do is we don't want to develop chronic conditions, we don't want to develop diabetes, high blood pressure, and have complications from that. So I think it's extremely important to go to gyms that have implemented safe practices. We're proud at BayCare we've been able to implement that at our gyms. Exercise in a safe and effective manner is extremely important, and that's what I believe the BayCare Fitness Centers offer.